Today we're making this delicious stuffed salmon with tomato basil pasta. This is perfect for your mom on Mother's Day if she's a seafood lover. So let's get started. Alright, let's start by making some sauteed asparagus. I added some butter, some seasoning, give that a good mix. Then we're going to come in with our asparagus. As you know, asparagus do not take a long time to cook. You want to cook this for about 2 minutes. I added a pinch of water just to, get the steam going. And yeah, after about 2 minutes, this is done, guys. Quick, easy, and simple. Now let's move on to the next. Next, we're going to make some stuffed salmon. So I started to wilt down some spinach and I cooked some shrimp. We're going to cook the shrimp for about 2 minutes, 1 minute per side. And then we're going to prepare the filling. So I added some crab meat, the shrimp, and the spinach. I will also add a little seasoning here and some cream cheese. Mix everything well to combine. And that's it. You have your filling. Here I have my salmon already washed and pat dry, and to season I will add some oil and I will use some garlic and onion powder, black pepper, some paprika, Old Bay seasoning, and some seasoned salt. So I mix everything well to combine, and then I went in and just coat the salmon very well on all sides. I also went ahead and cut the salmon in the middle, and that's where we will stuff it. So you want to season that part as well. And yeah, just carry on with this process until you're all done. Next, you want to go ahead and grab a generous amount of that filling and place it right in the middle of the salmon. And we will carry on with this process until all 3 of the salmons are filled. Next, you're going to go ahead and sear your salmon on both sides. So we're going to cook these for about 3 minutes per side. Once they're golden brown on one side, flip it over, and you want to be very gentle because salmon, it's very, fragile. So you want to be gentle when you're doing this part. And yeah, let it cook evenly on the other side. Once it's done, remove it, set aside, and add the 3rd salmon. Now we're going to prepare some tomato basil pasta. So here I added some salt in with some fettuccine noodles. You can use any kind of pasta you prefer and let that boil until tender. I added some oil, butter, some garlic, onions, and cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes. Let that go for about 2 minutes, then in with some pasta sauce. You can also use tomato sauce here, but I find pasta sauce to be a little bit more flavorful. So let that go for about 3 minutes, then in with some heavy cream. We're going to also add some of that pasta water. Don't discard all of it. And some seasoning. Give everything a good mix. Let it come up to a simmer, and then in with some parmesan cheese. Let the cheese melt and the sauce thicken, and then we're going to introduce our noodles into the pot. Give it a real good toss, and I almost forgot that we were making tomato basil pasta. So now in with the basil in the end because you don't want this to like wilt away. So you're going to just add it in the end, give everything a good mix, and that's basically it. Quick, easy, and simple, guys. Cooking does not have to be complicated. Now let's plate everything up and share the reveal and the finished product. So here you have it, my version of a delicious stuffed salmon with tomato basil pasta. If your mom loves seafood and pasta, she will definitely enjoy this one for Mother's Day. So give it a try. Let me know what you guys think. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.